examiner for today, okay? Before we begin, if I could please have you read the instructions at the top of my school sheet. Let's have Math DX, okay?
Hi friends, Jay Eichmann, Road Test Success. This is a great video to help you calm your nerves. I think you're going to come away after watching this video and saying, I can do this. This video's got a good examiner and a fairly confident and well-practiced student.
All right, excellent.
Let's watch the pre-test inspection.
Left turn signal, please. What happened? Brakes? Funky horn. Left, right, stop. And now point to your windshield wiper controls. Right here. Headlights. Headlights. Emergency flashes. Defroster. Emergency parking brake. Right here. Set it. Alright, set it. Oh, no. Okay, cool. Sweet. Alright, man, everything looks good. I'm going to enter the vehicle now, okay? Okay, so today, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to shock you. Alright, so today, you're just going to demonstrate your ability to drive safely and skillfully in different driving situations. Make any lane changes necessary to follow my instructions and perform all maneuvers when safe. I'm not going to ask you to do anything that is unsafe or illegal, and you're going to be responsible for the safe handling of this vehicle at all times, okay? Also, I'm going to be going straight at all times till I tell you otherwise, okay? Any questions at all, man?
When I'm doing a right turn on like in the intersection, do you want me to go at red or green?
That's entirely up to you. If it is safe to go on a yielded right, like if it's a solid red light and you're permitted to turn right on the red, then that's fine.
Okay.
But I'm not going to tell you to do it.
Okay. I'll probably wait for the green.
Okay.
Just in case.
All right. All right. So we're going to drive straight ahead towards the exit. Turn left.
You're watching YouTube channel Road Test Success. We're the #1 US driving test channel on YouTube, and we are about to hit 100,000 subscribers, so thank you. If you'd like to share your driving test video, we do offer compensation for that. Just click on the banner above. I'm going to do minimal commentary throughout this video, just give you a chance to soak it all in. The #1 thing I want you to take away from this is that with practice and keeping yourself calm, you're going to do great on the test. These videos will help you with calming your nerves and having an understanding of what will be asked for on the test, but practice will be the key to developing the skills to help you pass the test. So thank you in advance for watching. Enjoy this video. We've got a great driver.
Change lanes to the right. This light, turn right. street, turn right. And at this street, turn left. This light, turn right to the middle lane. Now change lanes to left. Okay, so the signal. We'll continue to straight line. All I said was change lanes.
Oh, yes. Sorry, I just get confused with the one lanes here.
Oh, okay. At this street, turn left. And at this street, turn left into the closest left lane. And at this light, turn left. this side street, turn left. This street, turn right.
Sorry.
Did you think it was a stop sign? Or was it a dog?
I think it was the stop sign, that's why.
And at this street, turn right.
So we're getting close to returning to the DMV here, and if you've watched a few of these videos, you will realize something's missing. We didn't do any backing, we didn't do any Y-turn, any of that. You'll see in the debrief at the end with the examiner that he did actually skip those portions. He says that there was no room to do it. May have been he was just
turn left, back into the DMV entrance.
wanting to get back for his lunch break. I don't know. Some people will criticize things like that, but I will tell you as an experienced drive test examiner that you can tell a lot
Continue straight ahead.
by how students handle themselves behind the
Any one of
wheel.
those open spots where it says reserved for after test parking, okay? Any one of these on the right hand side.
So even though not every element was covered in this exam, I think the examiner can make a fair assessment of this student's safety and skill behind the
I'm going
wheel.
to secure your vehicle and give me one moment, okay? Alright, man, so in order to pass, you have to miss no more than 15 errors, and you only got one. That's pretty good, man. Congratulations, you passed.
Wait, there was no backing?
So the area that I normally do the backing at, there was no room for us, so we ended up just skipping that.
Oh my god, dude, you scared me there. I was like, wait, where's the backing? Oh no, I
Did you actually fail or something?
Yeah.
No, you're good, man. Yeah,
What was the mistake?
So it was that that lane change where I noticed that you still had the turn signal on, and I was like, hey, cancel the turn signal, man.
Oh.
I got you a point off for the lane change, but I didn't realize you misunderstood me. But yeah, like in regards to that, I literally just said change lanes to the left, and that was it.
Yeah.
And then you started to like, I can tell that you were starting to make an effort to turn left. I'm like, no, don't do that. Just continue straight. Other than that, man, that's all I got you for.
Alright.
Otherwise, it's a perfect score. So now what I'm gonna have you do is take your paperwork back inside with me. We're gonna get your temporary license, okay?